Bullish Yearn Finance cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $35,163.56 and $66,420.05 by 2030. Market experts accept YFI could reach $27,349.43 by 2025. Bearish Yearn Finance market cost expectation for 2023 is $6,251.30. Yearn Finance is an aggregator administration for financial backers in decentralized finance, empowering them to increment yield cultivating profit through robotization. It intends to rearrange the consistently growing DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the individuals who favor less committal associations than proficient dealers. The help, referred to at first as Yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had dangerous development throughout the course of recent months as new merchandise have showed up and designers have delivered the YFI token. In this article, I'll take a gander at some new YFI value expectations and endeavor to gauge where the resources cost may be going from here on out. What makes Yearn Finance interesting? Yearn Finance is an interesting stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn Finance additionally has its local token, YFI, which is utilized to drive the stage and give liquidity to clients. YFI tokens can be traded on various trades. What compels Yearn Finance stand apart from different stages in the space is its emphasis on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind Yearn Finance has made a framework that permits clients to expand their profits via consequently putting their assets in the most beneficial conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been extraordinarily fruitful up to this point and has assisted Yearn Finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes Yearn Finance exceptional is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including savvy contracts, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to customary concentrated monetary organizations. A key component that makes Yearn Finance novel is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients stake their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure compensations from partaking in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their expenses. Yearn Finance specialized investigation. The YFI cost has been on a bull run since it was first sent off in mid-February 2020. YFI is a decentralized money token that controls the Yearn Finance convention. The convention offers yield-cultivating administrations and permits clients to procure interest on their crypto resources. YFI is a local badge of the Yearn Finance convention and is expected to get to its administrations. It likewise gives clients casting a ballot rights on the stage and empowers them to take part in administration choices. The complete stockpile of YFI is fixed at 36,666 tokens, and there won't ever be any more made. This makes it a deflationary resource that could build its worth after some time as request develops. The YFI's cost expectation framework depends on verifiable information, specialized, and key examination. Do your own exploration and don't take the YFI cost estimate as monetary exhortation. Yearn Finance current cost. There are a couple of key factors that are driving YFI's cost higher. In the first place, Yearn Finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, a popular better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of Yearn Finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for YFI tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like YFI. As an ever-increasing number of clients run to decentralized finance conventions, the interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the fundamental drivers of YFI's cost rally as of late. Yearn Finance is at present worth $7,814.12 USD. YFI has moved 5.57% as of now with an exchanging volume of $45,225,656. Yearn Finance is at present positioned 119 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $263,917,198 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Yearn Finance to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Yearn Finance market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Yearn Finance value expectation 2023. Yearn Finance, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The YFI cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $11,721.19. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $10,939.77 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. YFI is supposed to have a base worth of $9,376.95. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Yearn Finance YFI cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of YFI will before long outperform $19,535.31. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the YFI's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, YFI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $15,628.25 and a typical exchanging cost of $17,191.07. Yearn Finance Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $27,349.43 and YFI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. YFI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $25,005.20 and a low of $23,442.37 in 2025. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Yearn Finance effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the YFI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, YFI will be green in 2026. The YFI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $35,163.56, with a base cost of $31,256.49 and a typical cost of $32,819.32. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the YFI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $40,633.44 by 2027, with a base cost of $39,070.62 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, YFI has a greatest value worth of $42,977.68. Yearn Finance Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $48,447.57. In the event that YFI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $50,791.80.